Hey guys, it's Leah J. Welcome back to my channel, Leah's Way, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm gonna be doing an unboxing of a friend's designer line. It's luxury designer accessories, and I'm so excited because I've been waiting to do this for a minute now. I got these. I got this product probably over a month ago. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie to you. The brand is Bésame, and this is the bag that it came in and the logo. Let's get right into it. Get this open. Open on the scissors. Okay, so this is how it comes packaged. I'm going to wrap it. Nice and secure so it doesn't break. Oh my god. Yes, this is fire. Look at this. Yes, yes, yes. So, oh, the top, it slides off like this. This is super cool. This is so cute. Like, I might have to like hang this up somewhere. This is cute. Oh my god, this is literally like a first look, guys. Yes, these are lit. Oh my god, these are fire, y'all. Yeah, you can't even lie, these are fire. Hold on. Oh yes, ma'am. This is definitely my stilo. Like, I could rock with these. The quality. Bésame, you know the name. I love these. Definitely designer. Like, they're sturdy. These are not gonna break. Like, these are super sturdy. I am loving them. So this is little tag that it comes with right here. It has a cute little tic-tac-toe board. They're called the X Factor shades, I believe. No. These are not the X Factor shades. These are the, so they're called out of the box shades right here. XO Bésame out of the box shades. These are fire. You hear me? Fire. Real luxury brand. Remember the name because it's going viral. Look at them. So exclusive, so luxury, high quality. Listen, listen, I'm excited about these. This girl right here is a genius. Like, she's a genius. I can't wait to see what she comes out with next. So, yeah, I will link her store below. She has these shades in both black and white, and she also has another pair of shades that has like the X frames. It's super dope. It's super dope. It's like Beyonce. So Beyonce actually wore these shades, like these exact type of frames, everything, in one of her photo shoots. But it's like literally X's, and they're like super skinny, but they're X's. So like, you know, people be wearing the skinny shades on the nose and they just be like with the shades on the nose, you know? Yeah, you seen it here first. XO Bésame, remember the name. Her link to the website is in the description, Instagram, all that. And yeah, that's it for today, guys. Make sure you like, comment, let me know what you think of the shades because I love them personally, and I wish you guys can feel the quality. Like, it's not like no regular cheap pair of shades. Like, this is not flopping and going nowhere. You know what I'm saying? Like, take a look one more time. Look at that, like X and O. That is so dope. I love it. But yeah. So let me put these on because they make me feel cool. EXO Bésame. Link is in the description. Give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, stay tuned for my next video. See y'all later. Peace.